And it all starts up here, right? It's all really about the mindset, going with the ups and downs, being okay with the ups and downs, staying true and figuring it out. So I want you to talk a little bit, right? And I don't want you to get into too much detail because this is something else that is a huge part. And I'm just sorry. Listen, he got 10 years into this. I got 5 years of having my own business.
My brother will not just let me give away everything.
Yeah. Look, I'm just being honest, bro. I'm all for helping people, right? I help you out. But the thing is, like you mentioned, when you give it to people for free, they don't really take.
They don't take it seriously.
They don't take it seriously.
Really
don't take ownership of it. Yeah, and so we can tell you, but there's no point of us even giving it to you for free because at the end of the day, you're probably not going to take no action on it. But if we charge you for it, you're gonna want to take action because now you got your own skin.
You're gonna make sure you make that money back.
Yeah, you feel me?
You'll make that little $200 back on God.
We can't tell you everything, but we can give you some. So I want to start with you. We can end on this. You can go. I can go. We can figure it out from there and then close. But in terms of the best way to educate people psychology, I want you to give me kind of how you feel about that trading psychology. I know it's a big topic.
So we definitely hit on it in deep in the course, but I'll give a general overview of how I look at trading psychology. I look at it as kind of a game that you play against yourself a little bit. So you, like I mentioned before, awareness of self, knowledge of self is key when it comes to trading specifically.
Yeah.
Because you got to understand what makes you tick, what makes you feel like you're losing a trade, what makes you think you're losing this, that, and the third. Because in reality, none of that stuff really matters. You have to keep really reminding yourself of every factor that made you take the trade. Now, granted, if conditions change while you're conditions drastically change, some news comes out, then yeah, understandable. You might want to do some trade management, maybe take some off or close it. But I'll say, let your trades run. That's something I had to learn. I had to lose some of my best trades, right? I had to lose some of my best trades for me to learn to just let your trades play out, because for every one that you lose, you'll learn something. For every one that you win, you'll learn something. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. So you don't lose at all. So you don't lose at all, really. I mean, because if you lose and you still learn something, I mean, that's, to me personally,
no, exactly.
You learn, that's automatic. That's a dub.
Like people think it's so baffling. Like when I say that in my group chats, I've gone 150-0 calling signals, like 150 wins in a row. I'll post it somewhere if they get in the comments calling me cap. But there was enough people that actually watched me do it. I don't really care that much. It's and that's off of just being meticulous and learning from losing. I have lost plenty trades. I still lose trades, but I don't lose value when I trade. You know what I'm saying? Almost every time, I won't even say almost. Every single time I've taken a loss, I find out why I lost. You know what I'm saying? And I try my very best not to do it again. Now, can I say 100% that I'll never make the same mistake twice? No, but I work to not make the same mistakes twice. You know what I'm saying? It's certain things over time. I got told this, and I'll give you all this before we get out of here. I got told this early in my trading journey. Last 5 years in this business, you'll be fine. Stay in this business for 5 years, you'll be fine, because it'll start coming. I promise. After year 3, it'll start coming to you naturally. Year 4, you'll be like, I got this. Year 5, you'll be like, yeah, no, I'm straight. You know what I'm saying? That's okay. I don't know anybody that's been in this space for more than 5 years and isn't a successful, profitable trader.
And that's the important. In 5 years, that's a great number, bro, because that's the number I kind of give anything that you want to do, any venture. I feel like if you give it a minimum of 5 years, if it's something that makes sense right now, if you selling something that's not sellable, if you, I don't know, something just random that's really not gonna make any money.
Something that's with a fad or a trend or something.
Yeah, some bull crap, whatever. Or working at a place that doesn't have the growth involved with it or whatever. If you do something for 5 years, especially like entrepreneur, something trading, running your own business, real estate, whatever it can be, sales, all that. If you can do it for just 5 years,